Good day to everyone. I'm Ma'am Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the function of switch statement in Java. For defining the switch statement, I'll show you guys the structure. So this is the structure of a switch statement. Switch is a complex decision-making structure in which a single value is evaluated and flow is redirected to the first matching branch known as case statement. If no such case statement is found that matches the value, an optional default statement will be called. If no such default option is available, the entire switch statement will be skipped. The switch statement encompasses the switch keyword and then a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, it is where we are going to encode the variable to test. Okay, after which we can see here a pair of curly braces. This is the opening, and this is the closing. Between the curly braces, switch statements are encoded. Okay, I am going to demonstrate how to use the switch statement in Java. Okay, let's start. So if I'm going to run my program, as you can see, there is a class name switch demo. I have here the main method, but it has no content. I put some line comments. So if I'm going to hit my keyboard, pressing F6 on my keyboard rather, hitting F6, it has no output yet because I did not put anything. Okay, I'll be putting some content. I'll be using byte, day of the week, declare a variable, day of week, camel case, right? So it is indeed a good practice that we are going to use camel case. Yeah. I assign it as 1. The value of the variable day of week is 1. The data type is byte. Okay, here is the syntax, right? The switch, and then the open and the closing of switch. So I'll put some comment here. Closing of the switch, wrong spelling, statement. Okay? So inside the switch case statement, we are going to put here constant variables. So whatever the value that is assigned, it is evaluated. It will be rather evaluated. And then we have this one. Okay. So if it is case 1, it will display Monday. System.out.println. So system that out that print ln Monday. Okay? Yan. And then I'll put some break. Yan. And then the next one, since I'm demonstrating, I'll just copy this, guys. Yan. It will become my case 2. I'll paste it here. For code clarity, it is a good practice that you are going to indent. Okay? And then this will become Tuesday. Next, let's continue. And this will become case 3, Wednesday. And then case 4, Thursday. Next, case 5, Friday. Case 6, Saturday. And then case 7, and finally, last. Okay. Case 7, let's put this Sunday. And then the default. the default case. Let's just copy this line. Let's say day of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Okay? So let us save. I will now save the program and run. Look at this. Look at the syntax. Ayan. So I declare here a variable day of the week. The data type is byte. The current value is 1. So what the switch statement does is that it evaluates a constant value here. If the value of day of the week is 1, this one will be executed. Okay, let's see if it is correct. So F6. There you go. There's no error. Monday. Let's try to change the value and make it 5. Let us save. And then let us rerun again the program. So the value will now become Friday. Okay, let's try to change this one and let's put 8. What do you think is the output, guys, if I am going to modify the value of day of the week and set it into 8? Let's see what is the output. Yes, definitely. This is the default. Okay? To continue, I will be discussing some important rules for switch statement. The first rule, there can be any number of cases, just imposing condition, check. But remember, duplicate cases values are not allowed. Yeah, as you can see here, we don't have any duplicate cases. Let's try to put some. If I am going to duplicate this, 3, accidentally, you encoded duplicate cases. What will happen? It couldn't be according to the instruction. So this one will be your output so that you know how to correct. Iyon. So you go to line 20. Let's dive into line 20. Yan. Java 20 error, duplicate case level. So you know how to correct. You just change this one and then save and then F6. So it is very clear that we cannot duplicate values. The next rule. The next rule is the value for a case must be of same data type as the variable in switch. Yes, it must be of same. So these are all, they have same data type. Next. The value for case must be constant or literal. Variables are not allowed. Meaning to say, if you are going to put your variable, let's try to put some variable. This is a variable, right? Okay. Let's say, let's put this one here. Let us save. Let us run. You go to here. Ito siya. Yan. Kapag dito, yan. Execute. See? Constant expression is required. So switch demo, line 13. It must be constant. You cannot use a variable as your cases. Okay? You say case, it must be constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or string literal. Pero kapag variable, hindi daw pwede. Let's delete. So I am just explaining, showing it to you, so that when an error occur, when you debug your program, you know how to do it. Okay? Yun ang mahalaga. If the error appears, you know how to correct the error. Meaning to say, you clearly understand what is the purpose of the switch statement. Next. The break statement is used inside the switch to terminate a statement sequence. The break is optional. If omitted, execution will continue into the next case. Let's say here, we accidentally omit break here. I'll put this comment. para hindi niya basahin. And I'll change the value into 4. Let's see what will be the output. Save. So the value of the day of the week is 4. What will be the output? Okay. Yan. So the value is Thursday. And then it reads, binasa niya hanggang Friday. Okay. So it is important that you are going to put break if you want that this one will be executed early. Okay? Ito, isasama niya yun, no? Nakita nyo, Thursday, 4, join. Hanggang makita niya yung break. Ibig sabihin, dito niya nakita yung break. O, tanggalin natin to. O, what will be the output? What do you think? Is the output. O, saan niya makikita yung break? Makikita pa niya yung break pagdating nito. So, the output is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's try. Yun. Okay? So, you know already the function of a break statement. Okay. Ibabalik ko na po. I'll just return it into its original form. Yan yung original program natin. And lastly, okay. The default statement is optional and can appear anywhere inside the switch block. Ibig sabihin nito, pwede daw itong wala, pwedeng meron. Pwede ba to? Tanggalin natin yan. Let's remove this and put it here. Kasi nga, anywhere, sinabi niya, right? So, ito possible here? Yes. Okay? Save. Yan. Let's change it into 8. Kung wala na siyang makita, wala dyan sa constant cases yan, ito daw ang kanyang i-execute. Okay? So, let's run. Ayun. Days of the week, Monday. Bakit? Bakit, guys? Kasi nauna siya. Walang break. Nakuha niyo? Walang nakalagay na break dyan. Pero kung ilalagay natin, because the compiler, as I mentioned you, Java interprets the source code from top to bottom, from left to right. Yan ang output niyan talaga kasi dito niya nakita yung break. However, if I'm going to remove that and cut that and put it here, dito ko siya ilagay, what will be the output kapag naka-8 yan? Yes, day of the week lang. This is the output, days of week. Let's try. Okay. I hope you clearly understand. Now, there you go. Okay. Naipaliwanag na natin ng malinaw, ha? Yan. Okay. It is clearly explained. I hope that when you use this switch statement, you know how to check the errors if ever you encounter errors. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. Once again, thank you for watching.